To check out all our products, go to MusicNomadCare.com. This is Rand inside the Music Nomad Lab, ready to show you how to clean and polish your frets the easiest, quickest, and best way. Clean, smooth frets improve playability and string life. Grime and corrosion on the frets can kill your sound, as well as make bending and vibrato harder. So every time you change your strings, you also want to go ahead and clean and polish your frets. And Music Nomad's FRINE fret polishing kit makes it super easy to do. What we include in our kit is our FRINE fret polish that gives you over 300 applications, an 8x6 lint-free microfiber suede polishing cloth, and 3 innovative fretboard guards that protect the fretboard when you're doing this. One for small, medium, and jumbo fret slot sizes. All in one kit, and a great little storage container after you're done to put it back in. So let's see how it works. So what we have is a vintage Les Paul that definitely needs some love on its frets. First thing you want to do is find the correct fret slot size utilizing grip guards, and you can see this is a jumbo fret slot size. It's a stainless steel material that we have in our fretboard guards. Super smooth. The handle keeps everything out of the way, so you know that it's going to be the same on every single one. I like to start on one side and then go up the neck. So you just got to take a small little dab. Comes right out in a small little pea-size slot right here. Go ahead and lay it down, and all you're doing is you're putting it right on top of the fret wire and going back and forth. And depending on how much you have an oxidation is if you're ever going to need to repeat it. But it should be in a few seconds like this. Pretty good. I can see it all coming off and get on the sides. So if you do get a little bit on the fretboard, the FRINE, it just wipes right off. It's no big deal. It's a premium product that is petroleum and silicone free, microfine polishing compounds. You can see the difference between what I just did and the next one next to it. So here's another experiment. I want to take a cloth that's not black so you can see what's actually happening. So just take a small little dab. Notice how this grip guard allows you to get out of the way completely, so you don't have, your hand's not in the way, and you're just going back and forth. And you can see just the oxidation and the grime just completely come off of that, making it look sparkling clean. As you can see, all that oxidation came off, and now you have a sparkling clean fret to go up. It's clean, it's polished, no messy steel wool, no harsh chemicals, and you start to now have the ability to have longer string life, as well as be able to bend and have a clear vibrato. So when you're looking at doing this, every string change, after you do this also, you can go ahead and use our F1 oil to clean and condition the fretboard on unfinished wood, and then you'll have a completely brand new guitar up and down the entire neck. So remember, FRINE fret polishing kit and the best way to clean all your frets. Also, each one of these products, the FRINE fret polish and the grip guards, are sold individually, and we have how-to videos and product information on each one a little bit more in depth if you want to check it out on our website. Thanks for watching another one of our How to Use Music Nomad product videos. For more information on all our products, go to MusicNomadCare.com.